Today's art journal is printing and collaging facing pages. Let's take a look at this project in my journal. You can see that this is, normally we're working on one page, but today we've actually got two going here, and you can see that they are perfectly symmetrical. So to get started, we're gonna work on our background first. You're gonna need your mixed media sketchbook again, and we're gonna just open it up to 2 blank pages. And the first part is so fun. I'm using fluorescent paint, and you're just gonna kind of barely push on the bottle and squirt out a little bit of paint in 2 colors. And you want to make sure you shake your paint. I'm using a thinner formula of paint. And then you're going to turn over one of your pages and then press it out with your hands. And I'm just kind of smoothing, and what that's doing is making your paint underneath kind of squish outward. So then when I open it up, ta-da, we have 2 perfectly symmetrical pages. So let's move over to one I've been working on where the paint is dry. And if we open it up here, the next thing we're gonna add is this purple border. And you can see that I've gone ahead and started it here. But to do that, we're gonna use a technique called dry brushing. And all that means is you barely need any paint on your paintbrush. So I'm dipping my brush in and brushing most of it off to the side. And then I'm gonna go around my edge back here to make that border. And you can make it as dark or as light as you want. I usually have to do it once and then come back around. And I really like how you can see the texture of all those bristles. Then, if you look in the center of the finished one, you can see I've cut a heart. And now this is just like in our first lesson today with the paper cutting feathers, except this time we're going to make a heart. So what I'm gonna do is start my heart against the folded edge of the paper and come down like that. And that is going to be the start of making my paper heart. And you can kind of make adjustments as you cut. But when I open it up, we should have a heart shape, which I love hearts. Voila. So then we're gonna cut this down the center. And we're gonna use a glue stick to adhere it to our sketchbook. And we're gonna push it up so that that center heart is right along the spine of the spine. And then you would go ahead and let's look at the other one, and you would just collage it with some silver polka dots. You can use paint markers to outline it and create 2 facing pages in your journal.